Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Marissa Monroy. Austin Bergstrom International Airport is one of the fastest growing airports in the U.S. In response, AUS has broken ground on a series of projects to expand, improve, and modernize.
Now we're on what we're calling the Journey with AUS, and I think that's a great name for this program because it's going to be a journey.
Today we are celebrating the start of construction on our Westgate expansion project, which is one of our near-term airport improvement projects for the Journey with AUS Airport Expansion and Development Program. This project will open in 2026. Just super exciting because not only is it adding more space and square foot to the terminal, it's bringing in new amenities that our passengers have been asking for. So this project will include the biggest restrooms in the terminal, as well as the first children's play area in the terminal. We'll have lots of public art and even a quiet meditation space for those travelers looking to get away from the noise and the busy bustle of the terminal. The benefit of this project really is the added square footage to the terminal. So if you're someone that has flown out of this airport since 2021, 2022, you know that it has been busier than ever. So as we welcome more passengers than ever before, we're going to need more space than ever before, and this project helps us do that. This is one project in our Journey with AUS program, and that program is taking a comprehensive look at this airport and working to expand, improve, and modernize it. So we've got a combination of near-term projects like this one, as well as large-scale expansion and improvement projects coming online very soon.
To keep up to date with the airport's expansion, visit austintexas.gov/AUS-Journey. This summer's hot, dry conditions continue to put Central Texas at extreme risk of wildfires. There are things you can do to be prepared. When it's time to evacuate, you'll need to go quickly. Having a go bag ready for you and your family will save valuable time, including clothing and sanitation essentials, a first aid kit, and a 7-day supply of prescriptions, papers, phone numbers, and essential documents like birth certificates, passports, and marriage licenses, pet supplies, including a collar, leash, tags, and food, flashlight and cell phone charger, and credit cards and cash. Also, having things to pass the time can ease stress, so don't forget playing cards, games, books, and your kiddo's favorite stuffed animal or blanket. You can learn more about emergency preparedness and other items you should have in your emergency kit at readycentraltexas.org. Need some more live music in your life? Who doesn't, right? We've got you covered.
We got a fire.
Every Tuesday in September, enjoy tunes with a view from the scenic rooftop garden at the Central Library. The free concert series titled Live from the Library will host a variety of bands that will perform on the 6th floor rooftop garden of the Central Library every Tuesday in September from 6 to 7 p.m.
Let's go live in love.
Julian Acosta kicked off the concert series and will be followed by Cast Iron Shoes, Marco Antonio Santos, and NOA in subsequent weeks. If you can't make it out to the library, be sure to watch the concert live on our ATXN2 channel, found on atxn.tv. That's it for this week's City View. Thank you for watching, Austin. Be sure to catch up on all of the latest information on atxn.tv, our social media channels, and on our webpage, austintexas.gov. Stay well, Austin.